a royal feast for the heroes. Through frosty woods and skies of gray, 4 friends drove the goblin away. They found the chest of golden glow and saved the kind Princess Snowy so. Now in her castle, bright with cheer, the king and queen have gathered near. A royal feast, a night of song, to honor the heroes brave and strong.
Oh, gather ye around, the halls aglow, the princess safe as you all know. 4 brave friends through peril they flew, a star, a shark, a cat, and a dragon too. The goblin's gold they carried back, through forest deep and sky so black. Raise a cheer, let the music ring. The feast is set by the queen and king. For Stary, Sharky, catchy, and dragony, our heroes bold to set her free. They fought with courage side by side. Stary lit the darkest trail, Sharky swam through the stormy gale. Kitty pounced where shadows lay, dragony roared, the goblin gave way. Raise a cheer, let the music ring. The feast is set by the queen and king. For Stary, Sharky, catchy, and dragony, our heroes bold to set her free.
Tonight, we celebrate your courage. But tomorrow, new adventures call. Perhaps beneath the ocean waves in an underwater rescue, or across the desert sands where mystery awaits. Brave heroes, prepare yourselves. Adventure will find you again.